Hi guys and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to unbox my first Hermes quota bag and I'm so excited about it. I'm also going to show the modeling shots of it, and also I'm going to show other purchases that I have recently made. By the way guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Actually, I received this bag a couple of months ago, but I wanted to delay my gratification and enjoy it a bit longer. When I saw a box with my name printed on it, I was so happy. I can't believe it's finally mine. Actually, the last time I purchased a bag was back in 2020, and the bag that I got was Chanel rectangular mini in lambskin in black color. And also that year I got my white bag, which I absolutely love and wear quite often. I'm so happy about this one, and I feel like this color will match a lot of my clothes from my wardrobe. And I already have other accessories from Hermes in this particular color. Here it is, so stunning. I just love it. It's a Birkin 25 in toggle leather with gold hardware or gold on gold. I have not seen this bag since the day that I purchased it, when my sales associate opened the box and showed me how it looks. It's so pretty. I have to say it was really hard to resist. I just love the way it matches the gold jewelry, so perfect and so stunning. By the way, I'm not going to keep the stickers on for a long time. I'm worried they are going to ruin my bag. I just love everything about it. It's so cool. I love the size 25. It's the best. No wonder it's the most popular. And I just love the white stitching. It's so perfect. I'm so glad that I got this color. It's my favorite. I don't have any similar shade in my collection, which is perfect. It will make my bag collection more versatile. The clochette that comes with it, I love it. It's so cute. But actually, I don't think I'll be wearing it on my bag. I'm just scared to damage the leather. I think I will keep it separately, probably in a box. Also, it would add some weight to the bag. The size 25 is very light, which is perfect. I'm always very particular about things like that. So here is a look. You see, I feel like it might actually damage the bag. I have to say the toggle leather can stretch and can sag as well, so it's very important to store it properly. The instructions that come with the bag actually suggest to keep it in a box, in a dust bag, to protect it from the sunlight. And also I have to use my dehumidifier to protect it from moisture. I live in Singapore and the climate here has a very high humidity. On a day my sales associate texted me about it, I just went online and ordered this pillow to preserve the shape. It's in the same color, in the color gold, which is great. This is how it looks inside. It helps to preserve the shape. And also I got this silk liner. While I usually don't carry any sharp objects, I still want to make sure that I protect my bag, and I'm scared that something might spill, for example a hand sanitizer, so it's essential to have it. This one is made of silk. It also matches the color, which is fantastic. And I love all the compartments. It's very convenient. By the way, guys, for the reference, my height is 5.7 feet. And this is how it looks on me. I just love it. It's so stunning. I feel like this size looks amazing on everyone. I would probably wear it a lot on my hand. Some people don't like it. They say that the handles are too narrow, but for me it feels okay. And also, of course, I would carry it in my hands. I just love that look as well, and I think I might add some twillies on both handles to preserve it. And by the way, guys, I was previously considering to do HP coating. So basically it helps to protect the bag from water, from any moisture, and it also helps to protect it from stains. However, I'm worried that Hermes will not accept it for spa. I only trust to Hermes, so I'm not going to take any chances with other places. I'm loving the fact that the bag is quite light, and I just love how spacious it is. It's perfect. I would only need to buy a raincoat for it. It no longer comes with Hermes bags like before, but it's so easy to find it online and there are so many different options. It's definitely must to have in a rainy weather, and currently we are having a rainy season in Singapore. By the way, guys, I previously purchased a wallet and I think it's in an epsom leather and it's in the same color, and you can see it looks quite different. It's quite interesting how the color looks on different leather. During my visit to the store, Hermes had so many clothes in my size, which was incredible and it's quite rare. So I ended up picking up a couple of items. I got these shorts, they're so cute. These ones are in a size 34 and they go true to size. At least I don't have to alter them. The fabric is quite nice, it's stretchy as well, and I find it quite flattering. I tend to wear shorts quite a lot, especially now when I have a puppy. It's just more convenient, and I just love something that is comfortable. And of course, it would match my bag, which I absolutely love. And I also got some other items to match the shorts. I finally pulled the trigger on these beautiful sandals that have been on my wish list for quite a while. I feel like this color is so versatile and it will also match a lot of my clothes, which is fantastic. I might actually get them in other colors as well, especially if I will end up wearing them quite often. And also there is another version with the heel, which is so cute. I tried this in the store and they felt quite comfortable, but I know that a lot of people recommend to stretch them at home. I might add another pair as well in the future, but I'll just wear these ones first. They also match the shorts quite nicely. I will also show to you the color versus the bag. This is because of the type of the leather, which is quite interesting. I think I'm currently just obsessed with this color. It's so beautiful. Next up is a beautiful top that I picked up and I feel like I'll be able to wear it quite often. It fits very nice and I love it in the color ecru. Also, I love the way the gold looks with ecru. It's really pretty. The fabric is quite stretchy and not too thick, which is good for Singapore weather. It's perfect to wear it in the air-con places. Another item in the same color that I'm currently obsessed with, I just had to add it and I feel like I'll be wearing it quite often because I have exactly the same one but in a black and not the color. It's so beautiful. It's probably one of my most used items from Hermes at the moment because I literally wear it almost every single day. I ended up getting a different buckle for it, and this one is a new design, which is so cool. I love this design. It's so cute and so different. It seems a bit more elegant, and also I feel like it won't be that easy to spot the scratches on it, which is very important for me. And this belt is in black and gold colors, and I will probably wear it mostly in the gold. I actually have another belt in this exact color in the gold, but it's thinner. It's called Kelly, and I'll show two of them together side by side. So pretty. I love this too, and again you can see the shades of brown are a bit different, which is quite interesting. I love these ones. I just love the way the Kelly belt looks with different blazers, with dresses. It's so elegant, so flattering and so classy. And the thicker belts I typically wear with shorts and jeans, but of course I can wear Kelly belts with jeans as well. And by the way, I can also rotate it with my other buckle, which I absolutely love. It's nice to have a choice. Anyways, guys, this is it. I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!